wondered if you still need a power bank? I stopped carrying one years ago because phone batteries got so much better, but the Honor X80 Pro Max changes everything with a gigantic 11,000 milliamp hour battery. To put that into perspective, this battery is bigger than some power banks I used to own. Whether you're gaming, shooting videos, or binge watching, it easily lasts all day. Honestly, power banks might finally become obsolete. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. But here's the real question. How long can an 11,000 milliamp hour battery actually last? We put it through our toughest battery endurance test. The results were shocking. After the first 5-hour test, the phone still had 73% battery left, pulling far ahead of the competition. The highest temperature reached just 43.3 degrees Celsius near the camera, which is impressive. Then came the real challenge. We tested 4 demanding games, including Honor of Kings and Wuthering Waves. The latter drained about 10% per hour, yet after all 4 games, the phone still had 37% battery remaining. Even better, temperatures stayed around 42 degrees Celsius, making it only slightly warm in the hand. Since it was still going, we pushed it until it completely died. Another heavy gaming session finally dropped it to 1%, making it the first smartphone to survive both rounds of our extreme battery test. The endurance was simply incredible. For the final challenge, we launched Genshin Impact. The phone kept going for another 7 minutes, finishing with an astonishing 13 hours and 7 minutes of screen on time. By then, everyone in the testing room was exhausted, but the phone wasn't. This massive battery is powered by Honor's 4th-generation Qinghai Lake battery and Hummingbird architecture, delivering exceptional efficiency. Honestly, battery life shouldn't be a concern for the next 3 to 4 years. Even more impressive, charging isn't slow. The 90-watt fast charger takes it from 0 to 50% in 35 minutes, while a full charge takes about 75 minutes. For such a huge battery, that's seriously fast. It also supports 27-watt reverse-wired charging, so you can charge your earbuds or another phone in an emergency. With a battery like this, battery anxiety practically disappears. While testing, I also found a surprisingly cool feature. When a call comes in, the answer and hang-up buttons appear directly on your hand, similar to the Mate 80 series. It's incredibly useful. Instead of reaching for the screen, you can answer calls instantly, even if both hands are busy. It's a small feature that makes everyday use much easier. What's even cooler is that the controls automatically move to your other hand when you switch hands. In daily use, it actually feels smoother than Huawei's version, and it could be the first Android phone to offer this experience. So yes, the 11,000 milliamp hour battery steals the spotlight, but after using the Honor X80 Pro Max, you'll quickly realize this phone offers far more than just unbelievable battery life. Lately, Shenzhen has been hit by non-stop rain, and with the Dragon Boat Festival season here, sudden downpours are everywhere. That raises one big question: can your phone actually survive it? According to Honor, the X80 Pro Max comes with IP68, IP69, and IP69K water and dust resistance. It even claims to survive 10 meters underwater. Most of us won't dive that deep, so we decided to test it in a real-world way. First up, the waterproof test. We submerged the phone 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes and waited to see what would happen. The results were impressive. After half an hour, the display worked perfectly, the camera lenses stayed fog-free, and every camera function operated normally. Whether it's heavy rain, accidental splashes, or spilled coffee, this phone handles everyday water exposure with ease. But waterproofing is only half the story. In 2026, what people worry about even more is accidental drops. Luckily, Honor says this phone is built for that too. So we put it through a drop test. After dropping it, we checked everything. The cameras worked flawlessly, the display was untouched, and the body showed no major damage. Even after a 1.15-meter drop, the Honor X80 Pro Max passed without a problem. For everyday use, that's the kind of durability people actually appreciate. Beyond its rugged build, the display is another highlight. You get a 1.5K OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and everyday use feel incredibly smooth. Our tests showed 769 nits of manual full-screen brightness and an impressive 1,962 nits peak brightness. Even under bright sunlight, the screen stays clear and easy to read. Viewing angles are equally impressive. Even from extreme angles, colors remained accurate with almost no visible shifting. Comfort matters too. The phone supports 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming with excellent SVM performance, making it one of Honor's strongest displays for eye comfort. The display also keeps blue light under control, giving it more sleep-friendly characteristics. That said, I'd still recommend putting the phone down before bed. Your eyes will thank you. For a phone in this category, Honor has done an excellent job. While many brands focus only on benchmark scores and camera specs, everyday users care more about things like durability, repair costs, and long-term reliability. That's exactly where the X80 Pro Max stands out. Honor has spent years improving battery life while strengthening water resistance and drop protection, creating a phone that's built for real everyday use. With its outstanding battery life, impressive durability, and dependable overall experience, the Honor X80 Pro Max could easily be one of the most reliable smartphones you'll own for years. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.